Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create event on Facebook. So for this, let's open our Facebook app. Once the app is open, now here click on what's on your mind. So click on it. As you click there, you need to scroll down and there you will find the event option. Click on event. Now here you can select a category. So I will go with education and I will go with graduated. Now here you can upload the image or you can add the college. So I will add a college here and then I will add the date which is today. Now if you want to write something here, you can write it too in say something section. So once you are done with all the editing, then click on post on the top right corner. In this way, you can create event on Facebook. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.